Welcome everyone. Today I will be discussing about keywords. So what are keywords and why do we need them, and what are the numbers of keywords that C language supports, and why we should take care of them. So we have 32 keywords, and all of these 32 keywords, these are have some dedicated purpose. Let us consider this small program. So now I will be discussing about what are keywords. What do we mean by keywords, and what do they actually what do they do actually? What is the purpose of their usage? I have written a small program in C language. You can see the hash character itself. It means it's a preprocessor and the preprocessor command, and combining two of these, it becomes the preprocessor command. So the preprocessor command include stdio.h. I'm instructing the compiler to include this stdio.h file. Finally, I'm starting the main function using opening and closing parentheses and braces also. And now I have declared and defined the variable n in the same line and assigning 1 to it. And finally a function, I'm calling the printf function and passing these two arguments. The first one is a %d. It means I want to print the decimal value or the decimal number, and that will be n, which is again 1. So how many keywords we do have in this small program? Int integer data type itself, the int, it's a keyword. This word int, this word formed by 3 letters int and making a word which is reserved. So it's a reserved word, so keyword. And I can use this integer keyword only to declare some variable. I cannot use it for any other purpose. It is dedicated to define variable only. That's why we say these are reserved words. So I cannot make use of this word or any other keyword to do some other job, to do something else. So that's the thing. These reserved words, the 32 words we have in C language, all of these words, they cannot be used for something else. They are defined with some specific jobs, and they will be doing the same. You cannot do other things. In this program I have written, this is a small program, the preprocessor hash and the command include, but this is not a keyword. Include itself is not a keyword. If you check those 32 words in the keyword list, you will not find the include word. Include is not a keyword. It's just a statement, you can say. In this case, hash include, when I'm writing, combining both of them, actually the whole thing, it becomes the preprocessor command, which tells the compiler to include stdio.h header file. So it's again a file name. It's not a keyword. Main is the function name or identifier given to the main function. So it's again not a keyword. We encounter int, as I have underlined. Int, this word is a keyword. You cannot make use of this integer keyword to do something else. This is dedicated to only declare variables of integer data type. You cannot make use of integer to do something else. So this is the job of the integer keyword. This is what it has to do. And next again, printf is again a identifier given to the printf function or the function name itself, passing two arguments and simple. So this is all about keywords. You can check online all of those 32 keywords that we have. All data types, integer, float, character, void, enum, structure belong to that keyword list. And point to note, this is not a keyword. Include or define, hash define, these are not the keywords. Return, again, if you are defining main with the integer data type, then you will use return 0 at the end. Again, return is a keyword. I have made videos on if else, switch, and for loop. These are all control statements because they control the flow of the execution or program, and all of those statements or control statements like if else, we use keywords like if else, for loops, for loop, while, do. So there is no separate keyword as else if. When you are using the if keyword and else keyword together, like else if, then the compiler understands that you are using else if command or else if statement. So there is no separate keyword as else if. If and else both are separate, and when combined together like else and a space in the middle and if, the compiler will understand that you are just trying to implement the else if statement. So for loop, while, do, these are all keywords, because in the broader sense, when we are writing anything, when you are trying to accomplish any job, or we are trying to implement any concept of that programming language, in this case of C, we need to make use of these keywords, because if you do not use these keywords, you cannot make them into reality. Because if I am not using if, else, or switch case also, switch and case both are keywords, and while, do, for, if we do not use these keywords, then we will not be able to implement this loop concept, decision making concept, and all of these statements related to the control statements. So it is very clear now that we need to make use of keywords to do these things happen.